Ever wonder how data scientists make sense of everything? Well, it all starts with one key skill. As data scientist Josh Wills said, statistics is really the backbone of any data analysis.
But why does this stuff matter so much? Get it wrong, and your conclusions are just nonsense.
The answers all come down to classifying data. It tells you what math you can actually use.
Okay, so how do we do it? At the very top, all data splits into two main groups.
Think of this as our map. Categorical data is about qualities, while numerical data measures quantities.
First up, let's talk about categorical data. This is all about sorting stuff into groups.
The first type here is nominal. Just think of them as simple labels. Their order doesn't matter.
Things like your eye color or nationality are nominal. There's no ranking between the categories at all.
Next up is ordinal data. Now with this type, the order is super important.
So that's the key difference. Nominal has no order, but ordinal data absolutely does.
All right, let's hop over to the other side of our map and talk about measuring things.
Discrete data is for stuff you can count. The values are separate, kind of like items on a shelf.
Right? You can't have half a student or, say, 2.5 products sold. They're whole numbers.
And then there's continuous data. This is for things you measure. Its values can be anything in a range.
Your height or the temperature, for instance, can be measured with insane precision, including fractions. Okay, what's really cool is we can go even deeper with numerical data, and it's all about zero.
With interval data, 0 doesn't actually mean nothing. Think about it. 0 degrees Celsius is a temperature.
But for ratio data, 0 really does mean nothing. Like $0 means you have no income.
And this chart, it shows the difference perfectly. See? Only ratio data has a true zero.
Getting these types right is the first and, honestly, most critical step in any data analysis.
So, the next time you run into some data, ask yourself, what kind is it? Thanks for joining me.